Hi. In this video we will be talking about how to build trust and save your relationship. Watch this video to the end to learn all about this. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Relationship Facts. Moving forward and repairing a relationship demands patience, understanding, and a genuine willingness to address the underlying issues. The journey towards reconciliation and healing is unique for every couple, but certain principles can universally apply. To begin with, acknowledging the existence of a problem is the first step. Without recognizing there's something that needs fixing, it's impossible to move forward. This acknowledgement must come from a place of honesty and self-reflection, understanding that both partners contribute to the dynamics of the relationship. Effective communication is the cornerstone of any healthy relationship. It involves not only talking but listening with empathy and without judgment. Many times, conflicts arise from misunderstandings or the lack of expressing one's needs and feelings adequately. Openly discussing your thoughts and emotions in a respectful manner can bridge gaps that seemed insurmountable. It's about creating a safe space where both individuals feel heard and valued. Forgiveness plays a crucial role in the healing process. Holding on to anger and resentment only poisons your emotional connection and hinders growth. Forgiving doesn't mean forgetting or excusing the behavior, but rather letting go of its emotional hold on you. This step requires a great deal of strength and maturity, understanding that forgiveness is a gift you give yourself as much as to your partner. Rebuilding trust is undoubtedly challenging, especially if it's been significantly breached. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship, and rebuilding it takes time and consistent effort. It involves being reliable, transparent, and open, showing through actions that you are committed to change and healing. Taking responsibility for your actions is critical. Blame shifting or avoiding accountability can deepen the wounds. Acknowledging your part in the issues and sincerely apologizing can demonstrate your commitment to repairing the relationship. It's about showing you understand the impact of your actions and are willing to make amends. Setting boundaries is also an essential aspect of a healthy relationship. It's important to communicate your limits clearly and respectfully. Boundaries help protect your emotional well-being and ensure that your relationship is mutually respectful and caring. Seeking professional help can provide valuable guidance and support. Therapists or counselors can offer impartial perspectives and strategies to address your issues constructively. They can facilitate deeper conversations that might be difficult to have on your own. Making time for each other is crucial in reconnecting and rekindling your bond. Life's busyness can sometimes make us neglect our relationships. Setting aside quality time, free from distractions, can help you rediscover the joy and love that brought you together in the first place. Practicing gratitude is a powerful tool in shifting your focus from what's wrong to what's right in your relationship. Regularly expressing appreciation for each other can foster a positive environment, making it easier to navigate through tough times. Embracing change and growth is part of any long-term relationship. People evolve, and so do relationships. Being open to change and supporting each other's personal growth can strengthen your bond. Remembering the reasons you fell in love can reignite the spark during tough times. Reflecting on your journey together and the qualities that attracted you to each other can remind you of the love that's still there, beneath the conflicts. Committing to mutual goals and dreams can give your relationship direction and a sense of shared purpose. Whether it's planning a trip, buying a home, or starting a family, working towards common objectives can unite you and foster teamwork. Learning to compromise is vital. No two people are the same, and disagreements are inevitable. Finding a middle ground where both partners feel their needs are being met is crucial for harmony. Practicing patience and giving each other space when needed can be beneficial. Healing and growth don't happen overnight. Sometimes, taking a step back can provide the perspective needed to move forward. Re-establishing intimacy is an important aspect of reconnecting. This doesn't just mean physical intimacy but emotional closeness as well. Small gestures of affection and prioritizing intimate moments can rebuild the closeness you once shared. Adapting to each other's love languages can significantly improve your relationship. Understanding and speaking your partner's love language can make them feel more loved and appreciated. Learning new ways to manage conflicts can prevent the escalation of future disagreements. Developing healthy conflict resolution skills can turn arguments into opportunities for growth and understanding. Creating new memories together can help leave the past behind and focus on building a positive future. Engaging in new activities or revisiting favorite pastimes can strengthen your bond. Showing vulnerability can deepen your connection. It's about opening up and sharing your fears, hopes, and dreams. This level of emotional honesty can foster a deeper understanding and empathy between you. Being present and truly engaging with each other during your interactions can make a world of difference. It's about giving your full attention and showing that you value your time together. Respecting each other's individuality and supporting each other's interests and hobbies can enhance your relationship. It's important to celebrate your differences and encourage each other's independence. Maintaining a sense of humor and being able to laugh together can ease tension and bring joy back into your relationship. Laughter is not only healing but can also bring you closer together. Being flexible and willing to adapt to life's changes together can strengthen your partnership. Life can be unpredictable, and facing challenges together, rather than resisting change, can make your relationship more resilient. Prioritizing self-care and ensuring you are both taking care of your physical and emotional well-being can have a positive impact on your relationship. Happy, healthy individuals contribute to happy, healthy relationships. Focusing on the present and letting go of past hurts can open the door to a brighter future together. Dwelling on past grievances can prevent you from moving forward. Expressing your needs and desires clearly can prevent misunderstandings and resentment. It's important to be honest about what you need from your partner and the relationship. Cultivating a culture of mutual respect and appreciation can create a strong foundation for your relationship. It's about valuing each other's contributions and recognizing the strength in your partnership. Remember that every relationship faces challenges, but with commitment, communication, and love, it's possible to overcome obstacles and build a stronger, deeper connection. Moving forward and repairing a relationship isn't about achieving perfection but about striving for understanding, forgiveness, and growth together. In the process of repairing a relationship, it's essential to revisit the foundation upon which your partnership stands. This involves reassessing your shared values, goals, and what you both consider to be the pillars of a healthy and fulfilling relationship. Such introspection can lead to profound insights about how well aligned you are and what adjustments might be necessary to ensure that you're both heading in the same direction. It's a way of recommitting to the journey together, acknowledging that the path may have twists and turns, but with a mutual understanding of where you want to go. Rediscovering empathy is another critical element. Empathy allows you to see the world from your partner's perspective, to feel what they feel, and understand their thoughts and actions on a deeper level. It's about more than just sympathy. It's a heartfelt connection that can bridge the gap of alienation and hurt. Practicing empathy can transform conflicts, turning them from battles into opportunities for strengthening your bond. Another aspect to consider is the importance of creating and maintaining a healthy balance between togetherness and individuality. While it's vital to spend quality time together, nurturing your interests and friendships outside of the relationship is equally important. This balance prevents codependency and ensures that both partners maintain their sense of self. It enriches the relationship, as each individual brings new experiences and insights into the partnership, keeping it vibrant and dynamic. Engaging in joint activities that promote growth and bonding can also be incredibly beneficial. Whether it's taking a class together, engaging in a shared hobby, or volunteering for a cause you both care about, such activities can reinforce your connection and provide common ground. They offer fresh experiences that can inject new life into the relationship, helping to move it beyond past difficulties. Learning to let go of control and embrace vulnerability is another key step. In many relationships, power dynamics can become skewed, leading to feelings of resentment or inadequacy. By letting go of the need to control the relationship's direction and outcomes, you open up space for trust and mutual respect to grow. Showing vulnerability, in turn, can lead to a deeper emotional connection, making your relationship more authentic and robust. It's also crucial to celebrate each other's successes and provide support during failures. Being your partner's cheerleader in times of success and a comforting presence in times of difficulty can reinforce the feeling of being a team. This solidarity is the bedrock of a strong relationship, reminding you both that you are not alone, no matter what life throws your way. Implementing regular check-ins can be a practical approach to maintaining the health of your relationship. These can be weekly or monthly discussions about how each partner is feeling, what's working well, and what might need adjustment. It's a dedicated time to address any emerging issues before they escalate, ensuring that both partners feel heard and valued consistently. Cultivating a practice of mindfulness can also enhance your relationship. Being fully present in the moments you share, without distraction or preoccupation, can make those moments more meaningful and enriching. Mindfulness helps in managing stress and emotional reactions, leading to more constructive interactions and a greater appreciation for each other. Adopting a growth mindset towards the relationship can lead to significant improvements. Viewing challenges as opportunities to learn and grow together, rather than insurmountable obstacles, can change the entire dynamic of your partnership. It encourages a proactive approach to solving problems and a willingness to evolve as individuals and as a couple. Maintaining a sense of adventure and spontaneity can keep the relationship exciting and unpredictable. Breaking out of routines and trying new things together can reignite passion and remind you both of the early days of your relationship. Whether it's spontaneous weekend getaways, trying new cuisines, or simply surprising each other with thoughtful gestures, keeping the spirit of adventure alive is vital. In conclusion, moving forward and repairing a relationship is a multifaceted process that requires effort, dedication, and a deep love for each other. It's about more than just overcoming a rough patch. It's about building a stronger, more resilient partnership that can withstand the tests of time. By fostering communication, empathy, trust, and a sense of shared adventure, couples can not only repair their relationship but also enhance it, discovering new depths of intimacy and connection. This journey of repair and renewal is a testament to the power of love and the human capacity for forgiveness, growth, and transformation. Continuing the journey of repairing a relationship involves deepening the understanding of each other's emotional landscapes. Emotional attunement is a critical component, requiring both partners to tune into each other's needs, fears, and desires without judgment. This process fosters a deep sense of security and belonging, reinforcing the bond between you. It means actively listening, not just hearing, and responding with compassion and empathy to your partner's verbal and nonverbal cues. Such attunement can transform the emotional climate of a relationship, making it more nurturing and supportive. In the realm of conflict resolution, adopting a solution-focused approach rather than dwelling on problems can shift the dynamic significantly. This involves identifying specific issues and collaboratively working towards practical solutions, focusing on what can be done to move forward rather than assigning blame for past mistakes. It requires a commitment to change and the willingness to experiment with different strategies to find what works best for your relationship. The art of compromise is also essential. True compromise respects both partners' needs and seeks a middle ground that satisfies both. It's not about one person always giving in but finding a balance where both feel they are gaining more than they are losing. This might mean alternating decisions on smaller matters or finding a creative solution to bigger issues that considers both perspectives. Reigniting passion and intimacy is crucial. Over time, the initial spark of a relationship can dim, but finding new ways to connect emotionally and physically can rekindle this flame. This could involve setting aside regular date nights, exploring new activities together, or simply making more effort to express affection and appreciation daily. The key is to prioritize the romantic aspect of your relationship, ensuring it doesn't get lost amidst the daily grind. Sharing vulnerabilities is another vital step towards healing. Opening up about your insecurities, fears, and dreams can feel daunting, but doing so in a supportive environment strengthens trust. It demonstrates to your partner that you trust them with your deepest selves and encourages them to do the same. This mutual vulnerability fosters a profound connection, laying the groundwork for a stronger, more resilient relationship. In addition to these emotional and relational strategies, it's important to focus on personal growth. Each partner should strive to be the best version of themselves, not just for their sake but for the relationship's health. This means working on personal flaws, pursuing individual interests, and ensuring you bring positivity and energy into the relationship. Personal growth and happiness are contagious, and focusing on these can have a transformative effect on your partnership. Celebrating the journey together, acknowledging how far you've come, and the hurdles you've overcome can also be incredibly bonding. This doesn't mean ignoring the pain or difficulties but recognizing the strength and love it takes to work through them. Celebrating milestones, practicing gratitude for each other's efforts, and reflecting on the positive changes can reinforce your commitment and love. The concept of creating a shared vision for the future is also instrumental in moving forward. This involves discussing your hopes, dreams, and expectations for the relationship and your lives together. Aligning on these goals can provide a common direction and purpose, helping to navigate challenges and make decisions that support your shared vision. Maintaining a sense of humor throughout the ups and downs of a relationship cannot be understated. Laughter and playfulness can ease tension, diffuse conflicts, and remind you of the joy in your partnership. Finding moments to be silly, laugh together, and not take yourselves too seriously can inject lightness into the most challenging situations. Lastly, the power of small, daily acts of kindness and love plays a monumental role in the health of a relationship. These acts, from a loving text message to doing a chore your partner dislikes, accumulate over time, creating a deep reservoir of goodwill and affection. They are reminders of your love and care for each other, reinforcing the bond you share. In sum, repairing and moving forward in a relationship is a rich tapestry woven from threads of communication, understanding, patience, and love. It's about building a partnership where both individuals feel valued, understood, and connected. This journey is not without its challenges, but with commitment and effort, it is possible to emerge stronger and more in love than ever. It's a testament to the resilience of the human heart and the transformative power of love to heal and unite. As you navigate this path, remember that every effort made in the name of love is a step towards a more fulfilling and enduring partnership. Embarking on the journey of repairing a relationship is akin to navigating a complex landscape filled with both challenges and opportunities for growth. Within this journey, the practice of mindfulness plays a pivotal role. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment, aware of ourselves and our surroundings without judgment. Applying mindfulness to a relationship encourages both partners to engage with each other genuinely and attentively, fostering deeper communication and understanding. This practice helps in recognizing not just one's own needs and feelings but also those of the partner, allowing for a more empathetic and compassionate approach to resolving conflicts and sharing experiences. Another essential aspect is the willingness to grow together as a couple. Growth can sometimes feel uncomfortable because it involves stepping out of familiar patterns and embracing change. However, growth is also immensely rewarding, as it leads to a more dynamic and resilient relationship. Couples who commit to growing together often find that they can navigate life's ups and downs more effectively, supporting each other through personal changes and external challenges. This mutual support system becomes the backbone of a strong, enduring partnership. Furthermore, the importance of creating a culture of appreciation cannot be overstated. In the daily hustle of life, it's easy to take each other for granted. Making a conscious effort to acknowledge and appreciate the little things can make a significant difference. Whether it's expressing gratitude for daily tasks, acknowledging personal achievements, or simply appreciating each other's presence, these gestures of appreciation can build a positive atmosphere, reinforcing the love and respect that underpins the relationship. The ability to adapt to change together is another critical factor. Life is inherently unpredictable, and the ability to navigate changes together, viewing them as shared adventures rather than obstacles, can strengthen the bond between partners. This adaptability involves being open to learning from new experiences, supporting each other through transitions, and being flexible in the face of uncertainty. Couples who embrace change together find that their relationship becomes a source of stability and strength, no matter what life throws their way. In addition to these emotional and psychological strategies, practical actions play a crucial role in repairing and strengthening relationships. Setting shared goals, whether they're related to finances, lifestyle, family planning, or personal achievements, can provide a sense of direction and purpose. Working together to achieve these goals fosters teamwork and a sense of accomplishment, bringing partners closer together. Finally, the journey of repairing a relationship is a testament to the resilience of human connections. It requires patience, effort, and a deep commitment to each other's happiness and well-being. While challenges are inevitable, they also offer opportunities for growth, understanding, and deepening love. By embracing the principles of communication, empathy, growth, and adaptability, couples can navigate the complex journey of relationship repair, emerging stronger and more connected than before. This process is not just about overcoming difficulties but about building a foundation for a lasting, fulfilling partnership. In the end, the effort to repair and nurture a relationship is a profound expression of love and commitment, a journey that, despite its challenges, can lead to a deeper, more meaningful connection. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on relationship facts. See you next time.